What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ron P. Appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. Make sure y'all guys hit that subscribe button. So today we're gonna talk about recording in FL Studio the fastest way. I'm gonna show you guys how to record your vocals, and your preset or your vocal effects is gonna already be on your vocals. So when you're done recording, it's already there for you. You may have to go back, tweak a couple things, but your effects will already be there. All right. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already got your audio interface and all of that stuff connected, this is for you. If you don't, then I'll make an in-depth video about how to connect your audio interface and all that. Assuming that you do, we're just gonna get started. So first thing you want to do is, this is my recording track 2 right here. This is where my vocals is gonna go. They're going to end up here in track 3. And track 3 has all of my effects that I'm using on it. So what you want to do is click your record track, go down here to the track with your vocal effects on it. You're going to right click, go to side chain to this track only. So every time we record, then your effects is going to be on your vocals already. All right. Now what you want to do in your recording track, make sure that this is highlighted. This is your record track. Also, it has to be highlighted up here as well. You can hit the letter R on your keyboard. Both of them have to be highlighted. In your recording track right here where your vocals is going to go, you got to make sure your microphone is selected, and it'll be right here. So however your microphone look, it may say something different. It'll be right here. All right. Once all that's done, then you're ready to record. So you hit the space bar to record, and then hit the space bar to stop. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. Yeah. Get to the money I do. Get to the money I do. Get to the money yeah. So I hit the space bar to stop. I put my cursor right here wherever I want to punch in at, and then I just hit the space bar. Get to the money I do. I do. Get to the money I do. I do. Get to the money yeah. Now, one thing about these tracks that I just recorded, they already got the vocal effects on them already. So I'm going to hit R to disarm this recording track. That way I'm not picking up the playback. So I'm just going to play it. Get to the money I do. I do. Get to the money I do. I do. Get to the money yeah. Yep. So, and then we could just keep adding to it. I do. Get to. Make sure that before you add, you hit the letter R. Arm that. I do. Get to the money yeah. Watch how I handle my business. I get to the dough. And I'm gonna keep adding to it. Just hitting the space bar. Watch how I handle my business. I get to the dough. Everyone tripping, I'm going Everyone tripping, I'm going And like I said, the vocal effects is on there already. And then when you go to your vocal effects, when you're playing it back, you know, whatever yours going to look different, whatever effects or whatever, then you can tweak it and add some more compression, add some, you know, effects, reverb and all of that stuff, auto-tune. A lot of people like to record with the effects on, but for the people who just like to hear their raw vocals and add as they go, this is for you or whatever. And that's the quickest way to record vocals. If you guys need help, just leave it in the comment. I'll do a more in-depth video, or I'll email you, help you out with your vocals, or help you out with anything you need help with in FL Studio. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and until next time, we out. Peace.